this lesson, we will learn the ATOL function, which is used to convert string to long integer. Let's examine the syntax of the ATOL function. In this syntax, the str is an integral number which is returned as a long int value. The ATOF and ATOI function rules are applicable to this function also. The string can contain additional characters after those that form the integral number, which are ignored and have no effect on the behavior of this function. Here's the example program to explore the purpose of the ATOL function. In this sample code, we used the gets function to input a string. Then we perform the conversion process using the ATOL function, and the resultant value is assigned to the li variable. And finally, we print the results. Now let's view the result. Press Alt F9 to compile the code. When that's done, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to run the code. Here, you need to input the value. Look at the output. Now you're familiar with the purpose of the ATOL function.